Welcome everyone. Late again. Sorry about that again. I'm actually off work this week, so that's just throwing my whole schedule out of whack. Got sidetracked on some chores around the house today. That being said, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of this, and then Thursday I will really dig in, and I'll post another one on Saturday as well, since I'm not going to actually do anything with this today. Alright, let's dig in and see what we've got here. You might also like things on the back here. So this packaging is far more efficient than the other ones have been. I really want reviews. Give me two of them. Okay. And we got our standard pack in here. Our rocker thing, sandpaper, single-sided, instructions, plexiglass sheet, there's our watch. Okay, so it appears to be, yeah, it is. If you wanted to use it as a pocket watch, you totally could. Well, maybe not. It didn't. Oh, gotta. There it goes. Oh, I got the peel on it. Yeah, nice looking watch anyway. And our 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, that one has come apart. Different colored with them here. Darker. We add that. And another plexi sheet down the bottom. Alright. Let me say, I'll go over the instructions tonight and get everything set up, and I will see y'all Thursday. And let's see, how many steps is this bad boy? I don't know if I want to be ambitious and just go all out and try and get it all done at once or not. There's 13 steps, but I think we'll see how it is once we get going. But I may just try and knock it all out in one day and just have a little bit longer video. We'll see how things go once I get started, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, whatever you want to do with all that, and be good to one another. Bye.